So today I'm making homemade chicken and dumplings. If you like chicken and dumplings, this is a great recipe. I probably shouldn't be giving you this recipe since it's kind of been like my grandma's recipe, but super simple, super easy to make. So basically I just want to show you exactly what we have set up here. If you come over here, you can see that our whole chicken, okay, is boiling. That's whole chicken. That's a whole chicken. It's not like you go buy scrap chicken or chicken breast. Don't use chicken breast because it's too lean of a meat. You need kind of a meat that you can. It's more tender when you make chicken and dumplings. Second thing that we're going to do here is you take a cup. You're going to use 2 cups of flour. You can use all-purpose flour, unbleached flour, whatever flour you want to use. You can even use like wheat flour, but I'd rather not. Chicken and dumplings is supposed to be white. I mean, not being racist or anything, but it's supposed to be white. You want brown chicken and dumplings. Okay, so we got 2 cups of flour. Okay, boom. Now that we have 2 cups of flour, you can rest this aside. Now, another thing, it also calls for 3/4 cups of buttermilk. However, I didn't have buttermilk, so the best thing to do is to take regular whole milk or 2% milk. You don't want to use skim milk. And put a tablespoon of vinegar, okay, into the milk. And what that vinegar does is it coagulates the milk, and it kind of separates the milk and stuff. So once you do that, you let it sit for 5 minutes. Okay, after it sits for 5 minutes, stir it occasionally within that 5 minutes, and take it out. And then you're going to measure out 3. You're going to put 3 cups, or not 3 cups, 3/4 cups of buttermilk, or milk with vinegar. Now, when I did a tablespoon, I went ahead and added, if you can see, it says a cup, because when you put the cup in there, it's easier to do it that way because you're putting a tablespoon. So don't ask me why, but it's just a lot easier to do. So now that that's sitting there, we're going to add our salt, okay? Guys, this recipe is super easy, not very difficult. I'm going to do half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of salt. Boop. There's a half a teaspoon. Okay. And then after we do that, I need my baking soda. Come over here. And then we're going to also do a half a teaspoon of baking soda as well. So once we do that, kind of scoop in here. If you do have baking soda and you put it in the fridge, you can put it in the fridge as long as the baking soda is sealed. If it's not sealed, your baking soda will start to go bad because it starts to absorb all the odors and smells inside your fridge. So I like to keep my baking soda out unless I'm trying to keep my fridge all nice and clean. So now that we have a 1/4 teaspoon or a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, all we have left now is a tablespoon of margarine. Okay, you can use butter, but I like using margarine. It's a lot easier. So all you got to do is just get a tablespoon of. Let me get me a tablespoon here. Okay. You're going to put 1 good tablespoon. Okay. 1 good tablespoon. Boom. Maybe just a tiny little bit more. Boop. Okay.